Everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang TJ compilation. So I won't take any longer. I am really excited to watch this one. Charis! Every time na lang talaga excited, of course, because why not? Kung hindi ako excited, sana hindi ako araw-araw gumagawa ng reaction video sa Ahoops TJ, right? So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out, what TJ has to offer.
Enjoying a lot. You're seen everywhere.
Oh, God.
Gwapo naman ni TJ.
Yeah, like people are like
Ay,
taking a video of them and like posting them.
Ang looks are awkward eh.
gwapo ni
You're
TJ.
enjoying a lot.
Charis.
Yeah.
You're seen everywhere.
Ay, hindi tayo naka-auto-scroll?
Well, that video.
Dapat naka-auto-scroll to eh. Ay, kailan to? Ay, dalaga. Ay, ngayon lang to. Dalaga. Oh. This is their moments for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Can you imagine that's for me? Hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Sorry ah. Sana mapatawad niyo ako, mga mami. Magic. Okay.
I didn't even realize that it's been 2 hours.
Bakit hindi nagpe-play?
I didn't even realize that it's been 2 hours. Maybe it's
Wait,
been-
hindi talaga nagpe-play? Wait. Running home to your sweet nothings. Oh. Oh, they're really sweet. Charis! Eme kayo. Eme kayo sa the really sweet na yan. Mamaya mapulis na naman tayo.
Sa Filipino,
Ay,
sinasabi natin,
gusto ko to.
hindi tayo tinadhana. Ngunit sa panitikan, sinasabi naming,
Ano nga yung panitikan?
ilang tahimik ng pakiwari sa hangin ng aking pinakawalan.
Ay,
Halos mamaos na ang puso kakabulong ng iyong pangalan.
ay!
At kahit
I love
tulas na ang
it.
simbuyo ay namanata ang puso ko'y sa'yo lamang. Ngunit mahirap makipagtunggalian sa katotohanan. Ako'y sa'yo mula noong simula pa lamang. Ngunit hindi ka maaaring maging akin nang naayon lang sa aking kagustuhan.
Ay, I love it. Ay, gusto ko siya. Sino kawain ko? Mapakain ko for today's video.
Sa Filipino,
Ay, DJ spotted on day. Si Park dito may papipik-pikip sa totoo lang.
There's no one left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never.
Ganun ba talaga dapat? Ay. Ang gwapo ng mata ni... Ano? Steven, sobrang gwapo yan eh. Hingid ng mata niya.
Is
Diba?
it all?
Okay. Ay, bakit nagsistop siya? Ay, ano to? Siri. Ay, madama din kasi talaga to si Kabayan eh, actually. Super dami na din talaga niyang drama din. He is doing something din talaga eh. Para yung drama niya eh. Sa totoo lang. Ah, ito pa ay, what is this? Hindi matagal na. I love that song. Aminin niyo, papansin din naman kasi talaga si Steven. Papansin din naman talaga siya. Bakit hindi na-play? Pinakitaan na tayo na kilikili niya. Ay! What is this? Ano yung naman problema ni Steven to? Parang ang dami-daming issue ni Steven. Bakit parang ang daming issue ni Steven? Ha? Can someone explain to me?
500%.
Anyways, that is all for today's video from CJ Compilation. This is Kivo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.